Imagine standing at a place where one more step could lead to a 2,000-foot drop. Many people call it the place that feels like the end of the world. Hidden in the breathtaking mountains of Norway lies one of the most extraordinary natural wonders on Earth. Every day, giant asteroids slammed into the surface. Explosions lit up the sky, making Earth look more like a battlefield than a planet. Then came the most violent collision in Earth's history. A Mars-sized world called Theia smashed into our young planet with unimaginable force. Those glowing fragments slowly gathered together over millions of years, creating our moon. Back then, the moon appeared nearly 20 times larger than it does today. As Earth slowly cooled, an incredible transformation began. Rain fell not for days or years, but for millions of years. Steam condensed into endless storms that covered the planet. Eventually, the rain filled the planet with oceans. But these weren't the blue seas we know today, rich in dissolved iron. They glowed dark green beneath a crimson sky, deep beneath these strange oceans, near scorching hydrothermal vents. Something extraordinary. Tiny single-celled organisms became the first life ever to exist on Earth. Some scientists believe early microbes used a molecule called retinol instead of chlorophyll. If that's true, Earth may have looked purple from space, a truly alien planet. Then came cyanobacteria. These tiny organisms unlocked photosynthesis, releasing oxygen into the atmosphere. A simple change that reshaped the future of every living thing. But oxygen wasn't good news for everyone. For the ancient microbes that had lived without it for billions of years, oxygen was dead. One of Earth's greatest mass extinctions had begun as methane disappeared from the atmosphere. Earth rapidly cooled. Ice spread across the continents and oceans until almost the entire planet became a giant frozen void. Scientists call it Snowball Earth. Eventually, the ice melted. Life exploded with astonishing speed. Strange animals filled the oceans, each more bizarre than the last. Evolution had entered a completely new chapter. In 2017, scenes from Mission Impossible Fallout were filmed here with Tom Cruise. Not all creatures look like predators. Opabinia had 5 eyes and a long, flexible trunk, while Hallucigenia looked so strange that scientists first assembled its fossil upside down. Earth truly looked like an alien planet. Today, adventure lovers come here for hiking, photography, and unforgettable memories. Although many people call it the end of the world, scientists remind us that Earth has no true edge because our planet is round. Even so, Prehistoric remains one of the most breathtaking places on Earth. Would you dare stand on this incredible cliff and look into the endless horizon? But every empire has an end. 66 million years ago, a giant asteroid struck Earth with unimaginable force. Darkness covered the skies. Wildfire spread across the planet, and the age of dinosaurs came to a sudden end. After billions of years of fire, ice, evolution, and extinction, humans finally appear. If Earth's entire history were just 24 hours long, we would exist for only the last 2 seconds. The greatest lesson is simple. Earth does not belong to us. We are only a tiny chapter in its extraordinary story. The story of Earth is far from over. Subscribe for more breathtaking journeys through science, history, and the mysteries of our universe.